The chapel is basically a classic building in terms of the architectural features. You can have a very ornate wedding here or something very, very simple. We've seen several different styles of weddings, so just pick your theme and come on down. We're very fortunate that when we designed this building after the move, that we have wireless internet, large screen televisions. We have the ability to seat over 180 people in our physical sanctuary area. We have a caterer's kitchen here. We have tables and chairs that are provided at no cost. We're able to do corporate events. We have a teddy bear tea party planned. The World Organization of Porcelain Painters is hosting 2 major events for over 200 people in February and March. And we also have different things like cabarets, and we do a lot of fundraisers here as well. Well, the fun thing about a destination wedding is you get to spend more time with your friends and family. It's not a one day in, one day out event. One of my brides has actually had her grandmother post to the entire family, this will be the family reunion. So actually they'll get a chance to go to the beach, they'll go kayaking, they'll go to historic Savannah, and they'll come here and enjoy a wonderful wedding and reception. You can go downtown for your rehearsal dinner, or you can choose one of our mini parks to reserve, or you can actually get one of the restaurateurs on Tybee or caterers on Tybee to do your rehearsal dinner. A lot of the people that come to Tybee realize that one of the best things we have is our natural resources. We have the creeks, the estuaries, we have all of the lighthouses, we have Fort Pulaski that's just a step away, but you have our gorgeous beaches, we have our sunrises and our sunsets, and you really can lay back and actually enjoy our town if you give yourself an opportunity. Tybee's favorite mode of transportation is bicycle. We love to ride our bikes around here. We're 3.5 miles long. We have over 6 miles of beaches. We have a great nightlife. You can go out and you may be rubbing elbows with a celebrity and hanging out with your best friend at the same time. We have numerous excellent restaurants, and we just enjoy our life here.